Hey, welcome to Speaking Legal Today with Will Worsham, and I'm going to be hosting this. I'm Bruce Porter, and so say hi to Will. Thanks for being here.
Hey, glad to be here. It was such a long walk today.
Oh, absolutely. So tell us, boy, this is crazy times we're going through. What are you seeing in the legal world?
Well,
because I know you're a judge too.
So. Well, yeah, and so in the courtrooms, we're continuing cases because we just can't have those in-person hearings. I've been ready for this for years because I've always been very techie. I've always had the video conferencing available, and so I've got video conferencing set up for all of my clerks, my prosecutors. So in the courtroom, we're ready to handle whatever happens. We do a lot by email. We do a lot by video conference, whatever we need to do to get people taken care of. But, the interesting thing is just in the practice of law, we're seeing a lot of things develop because it's a very document-driven practice. It's always been a very information-driven practice. And the weird thing about lawyers is they've been very slow to adopt technology, in my opinion, over time. But we're very well suited to handle things, particularly the people that right now are taking advantage of the opportunity to get some things in order. They're stuck at home. It's a great time to, frankly, get your estate planning done. And we're going to talk a little bit about that. Yeah. We can do a lot of stuff with video conference. We're going to try to host some webinars out there for people to come. And maybe you never wanted to get out of your house. Maybe you couldn't come to one of our group classes that we do, but we're going to have the opportunity to participate online via some webcams. And with the emerging technologies like DocuSign and things like that, we're able to do some remote signature work. We're able to develop systems to where we can let people sign documents and maintain health codes and social distancing and make sure things are clean and disinfected. And there's actually legislation sweeping as you read the message boards that I participate on. There's a lot of lawyers and a lot of legislators that are advocating for new ways to allow notarization of documents, witnessing of documents without having to be in the direct physical presence with the person. So, I can watch somebody sign. If I'm a notary, I can watch them sign over a Zoom video conference. I know it's live. They can send me a copy of their ID. I can record that. Witnesses, we can ask all the questions and make sure that the people signing documents are competent. So, really, whatever you're wanting to do legally that you need to get done, or maybe you've been putting off and now's a good time to get it done, we've got the technology to make that happen. So
we're going to actually, and you and I have been discussing this, but we're going to actually put the workshop that we do here at the office, we're going to put that online so people will be able to log in to a certain time or to a video, and they'll actually be able to watch that video. And then if interested, they would be able to email you or schedule an appointment.
Yeah, we're going to have it all
over video.
Yeah, we're going to have it all put together. Actually, it'll be a live webinar, and you'll be able to find that link at my website, willworsham.com, and at Bruce's website,
resourcecenterinc.com.
And so you can go to that website and you can find the link and schedule, because it's still going to be a limited number of people, and anybody that participates in it live, you'll actually be able to go ahead and ask questions. There's a chat function. We could turn your camera on and you could appear and you could ask me the question. The only thing we're not going to be able to do is break that board. I'm really disappointed we're not going to be able to have anybody do a live board break. That's one of the fun things.
Well, I guess I could break one every week.
I guess you could break one every week. Yeah. Nobody, I've broken hundreds. It's no fun to see me do that. But we are going to do that, and then you're going to be able to schedule a live video conference with us, both with Bruce or with me, just like we do with our seminars, no cost. And then we're going to be offering actually some deep discounts on estate planning just to get people through this press and crush.
Yeah, we're trying to promote simple solutions in a complex world. And let me tell you, the world has got a lot more complex in the last 30 days. So I think also we should give them our phone numbers so that they can call to communicate with us on when this is all going to take place. Our number at the Resource Center is 882-1800.
And you can call Worsham Law Firm, 417-863-9455.
And I think this is going to be awesome. I think it's going to be a good thing for everyone.
Yep. Speaking Legal, we'll see you next week.
See you.